please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, y'all, we about to do this button tutorial today. I got me the We Are Memory Keepers button press, and I'm so excited. I've heard mixed reviews about it, so I'm a little nervous. I ain't even gonna hold you up because I've heard some things. So I'm only going to do the medium press button, which is 1.45, because I don't know if I wanted to, I didn't get the bundle, so I didn't know if I wanted to purchase the small and the large before I tried it out, because I heard mixed reviews and I just wasn't sure. So I'm like, I'm not about to spend these coins if I don't want it, or if I want to get another one. But I was so excited because I actually got it for under $40. I got it from Joann's and I couldn't believe it. So I was like, I can't miss up that deal. It typically is $99. I will provide a link where you can get it from Amazon right now for $75 because it may not still be on sale. I used a couple coupons. I don't know if sis was supposed to do that, but she hooked a sister up. Okay. So I was excited that I got it that cheap. And so I said, let's just try it. Why not, right? So I was like, let me go ahead and try it. We'll see how it goes, how it happens. And there we go. So this is what I'm going to be doing. This cute little puppy right here. Oh, you're so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and print this out using my HP printer. And I'm going to print it out, and then we're going to go ahead and go over to I'm going to meet you at my table. We're going to see how it goes. But a couple other things that I wanted to show you. So you can do the inches. This is 2.537 inches in width and 3.607 in height. And then this circle is a 1.45 because I just kind of wanted to see what it would look like, like what the button would look like. So I put it over there and then I sliced it. So I kind of got a preview of what the button would look like. Now here's the tip. Although the button is 1.45, the slicer is larger. So you want to make sure that it's wide enough for the die cut to have a full circle around it. So you want to play around with that. And I'll tell you what the inches are on this, on what the die cut is, because you'll see what I'm talking about. But you want the cut to have enough room around it so it can get this portion of the cute little puppy's face. Okay, so that's a tip there. So okay, meet me over at my table and let's go ahead and get this thing popping. All right, so let's get into it. I got this Fiskars. I forget what the name is, but I'll leave the link for you to get it off of Amazon down below. Really, these things are tricky. You can tighten it up, loosen it up. They're sharp, so be careful. So this is my first time opening. Y'all know most things, not all, but most things I do for the first time on here. And this is my first time. I'm really, really excited about this. I heard mixed reviews, so I'm a little nervous. But we're going to get this button press. This is by We Are Memory Keepers. It's the button press, a button maker. It can cut the paper to the sides with included cutting system. And then it just shows all the information about it. It shows what's inside. It's the button maker, the cutting inserts, the medium circle die, the medium press inserts, 5 mylar, that's the plastic, it's like lamination, 5 button shells, and 5 pin backs. So that's what's included. I'm gonna test this out, see if I like it, and then I'll buy the small and the large. So the small is 1 inch, the large is 2.25 inches. They have interchangeable inserts to create small and large buttons, like it says, sold separately. You can make bobby pin backers, adhesive. You can use adhesive foam. You can make keychain kits. I'm gonna get that for sure. Mirror kits, adhesive magnets, paper clip backers. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can make. And once again, this is We Are Memory Keepers. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. I'm put the link, Joann's, Michael's, and you could go to We Are Memory Keepers, all of that stuff. So just Google if you're interested, but I'm going to put the direct link below where they have it on sale at Amazon. Well, it's $75 and some change on Amazon. Okay. So like I said, today we're going to be doing the medium. Oh, we're going to have to put it together. Oh, no? Yeah. We got, well, at least the screw top. Okay, so now these are the button shells as well as the pin backs inside of here. So I'm just going to, oh, that's the mylar that makes the button shiny. And then this right here is the pin back. See, that's how you clip it on whatever you're putting it on. And then you would take that safety pin portion out if you're using it for the magnets or the mirror. Here's the button shell. That's the button shell right there. And then that's the medium circle die. So that's what actually cuts it. And this is the top and the bottom, the press insert. So that's the base. That's the bottom. The base is the bottom. You see that A and that B on there. That's how the inside of it looks on top. And then this is the actual, you see that? You could push it up and down. This is the top. And it shows you the A and B top. And then you see that? You could push that in and out. There's a magnet on there. So that's pretty cool. And then those are actually the cutting inserts, okay? So it's the top and bottom for the cutting portion. And ignore the photo in the back. I actually had to recut some. I had to reprint that. All right, so these are the instructions. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and try to get this thing started. I wish I would have scooted back a little bit, so I'm sorry. But you see I'm swinging that part out, so that part swings back and forth. This is the magnet portion. And you see those grooves. You want to go ahead and put that. You want to go ahead and align that. And the magnet, see that magnet in there? Is going to attach there. It's really simple. Slides right in there. Easy peasy, okay? So then we're going to go ahead and place the bottom down. See, it's smooth. It's nothing fancy. Nothing at all. It's just a bottom. And then we just put that down. I didn't know if you had to turn it, but you don't. You just have to literally place it down. So I'm going to skip ahead really quickly and show you what I was talking about with the inches and how large you want to make sure the image is and how wide you want to make sure so you can cut it correctly. So the area around it that it actually cuts is about 1.1 inch. I would do 1.8. So you want to make sure it's 1.8 around it, because it's a circle, so it's really over here. Yeah, 1.8, about 1.8, because this part is the part that actually cuts it. So you want to make sure it's enough width around the image for it to cut. Okay, even though the button is going to be 1.45, the 1.8 or 1.9, you can say even 1.9, will be what goes up under the button. Okay, it'll be what folds back here. This fold is giving extra inches. Okay. Okay, so I cut the cute little puppy out. This is the actual cutter. So this is the puppy. I'm going to place it up here. This is a mark that was on there. Y'all know I'm OCD in a German. I'm like, what is that? But anywho, you saw me open it. So that was on there. We're gonna just cut the cute little puppy out there. You see these lines? They're like score lines. So we're gonna lay it down here. And then I think I'm about to go ahead and switch the camera angle now. So I wanted to show that part, so I'm gonna switch the camera angle. Okay, so now you see the cute little puppy, right? Uh-oh. Now you see the cute little puppy. So we're gonna go ahead and swing it inside of there. And this moves, so we wanna make sure this moves. You see that swivel? So we wanna make sure that it's lined up. And then let's see. I ain't hear nothing, so I don't know if that cut. Oh, it did. But it moved over. Okay. So remember when I said swivel, it moved over. It's so cute and it worked. We're gonna do it again though. So this is my first time using. Y'all know I show y'all all the errors and stuff. So when I was moving it, it moved. So you know what? I think somebody said they might put tape on the bottom one time so it won't move. I think I heard somebody say that, which makes sense. They put some little tape or glue or something on the bottom so it won't move when you get it where you want it to be. And that's why I printed out multiple ones, because I didn't know how it was going to go, especially with my first go around. So, where is my double-sided tape? I'm not going to tape it this time, but I have some double-sided tape I will use. So we're going to lay the cute little puppy down. Make sure okay. And this moves, so you want to be careful. So somebody use some double-sided tape before. I can't find mine, so it won't move. Because if it move and it shift, it's not going to cut right. Alright. Still ain't doing it right. So I could have made it wider. It may go around it, so we're going to still use it just to see. But I could have made it wider. So we're just going to... And this is one of the things that they said they didn't like. Okay, what I meant was that was one of the things the people that gave bad reviews said that they didn't like. So now what I'm doing is I reprinted the puppies. I made them wider. And I did that so that we can make sure that the width around it was the right size. So we had to make the little cute puppy wider so we can get the circle all the way around it. So you kind of hear like a crunch when you do it. So you got to put your back into it. And you can also, if you need to, move it to the sides like that to make sure each side is getting what it needs to get. But you want to make sure, there we go. See, so it got a perfect cut. Yay, so cute. Okay, perfect. Now we take these off and we switch. We switch the top, the bottom. This is the base. Okay, and then the top. So what it's doing is it's attaching to that, and it's a magnet. Okay. So we make sure it's on. You make sure it's on A. The top is on A, and then the base. We make sure the base is on A. Okay. The top and the base on A. So the first thing we do is put this in, and we put this down. Okay, so we have everything on part A. Okay, then we put the top in. We're gonna put the paper in. We're gonna put the mylar on top of it. Okay, and we want to make sure it's lined up. This is A, it's these lines here. So that's that. Then we're going to swing it around on part A. Make sure part A is lined up. So part A is lined up. Then we press it down. And voila, it disappeared. Okay? So now we switch this to part B. Then we switch the base to part B. So they're both on B. Okay? And then we put the pin in. So I want to have it lined up like how I had the See, you got to be careful. See that? You want to have part B. So I want to have it lined up with these little lines here. Now, I hope I'm doing this right the first time, because it's my first time ever doing it. But I'm lining it up like this. So I hope that's the right way to do it. So we're going to see. They're both, the top and the base are both lined up at B. And now I want to press it hard. Make sure I get it all the way around. And voila! There it goes. So we take this off. Oh my goodness. And then at the bottom is this thing. So we pop it out. Now let's see. Let's see. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. If the back is right. Oh yes. Okay. Yes, I did it right. I lined it up right. Because what it is you want to make sure that the pin is lined with these lines. So that when you pin it on yourself, it'll be correct. Oh my goodness. I don't know what these people was talking about that was just dogging it out. I'm looking. Maybe they weren't pressing hard enough. But I'm looking. It's down good. It's good. It turned out really good. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know what they were talking about. I think it's a good pen. I'm looking at the back to make sure it's all down, it's all bent over. It looks good. People were talking about it. So I'm going to try. So now I guess I'll order the other sizes so I can see how those go. All right. Yay. It worked out, y'all. Yay. So yeah, that was actually like really fun. I'm just happy that it worked for me and I got the hang of it. As you see, I'm going fast because I'm fast forwarding it, but I actually got the hang of it. I figured it out and I know how to use it. Just a tip, you could also actually cut with your Cricut if you wanted to. You just measure the size you want it to be cut, and then you can cut with your Cricut and you can do multiple at a time. So that's a tip. Make sure you have enough space with the photos or the whatever you're putting on there. Make sure you have enough space for them. But this was really fun. They turned out really good. I'm in love with the buttons. I've already ordered the large. It should be here from Amazon. And I'm ready, y'all. Let's take a closer look at these, though. That's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys can join my Facebook group, Queen Dreamers, but all are welcome. Um, Please make sure that you guys, if you have any questions, that you are commenting below. I love answering your questions. Don't worry, the giveaway will be done. I'm gonna do that next week once I get my hair done. Yeah, I have a couple more things in store. I have a few videos I'm so excited to do. So stay tuned. But go ahead, click that notification bell. And make sure y'all follow me on my social media sites. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. And y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Remember, all of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Word to Walt Disney. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.